Good morning. Good morning. This is day one with my new to me E36 328i. Cheapest, cleanest running E36 for sale, maybe? I don't know. So I haven't done anything to the car except drive it home from the pickup. I am going to pull it out, give it a wash, look over it, and just see what we got. So let's do that. First things first, gotta take the license plate off of the guy who sold it to me. The paint looks pretty good. It actually has Torx screws holding it on, which is kind of funny. Okay, we've got her outside. This, the third car garage, a little bay is usually where I wash cars, so we're gonna see if we can't get her a little right. But I'll tell you what, man, for a 30-year-old car, like, the paint's pretty good. I have had a lot of old cars, usually Nissan's Japanese stuff, and I swear, like, I don't know if I've ever gotten one where the paint arguably looks this good from the beginning. Oh, gotta get that front plate too. Well, here she is, washed in a pretty thorough but efficient manner, and honestly the paint looks great. I'm surprised. I don't know if it's because it's BMW, but you know, I'm so used to Japanese cars where the paint just looks like shit, but I mean, it really looks nice. Not even a clay bar yet, but that is what I'm going to do next. Missed a spot down there. That's okay. Did not do the wheels just because I didn't want to get my nice rag dirty. And I did not go super hard on all of these, like, pollen sticky spots, just because I did not want to, you know, damage the hood. So I'm going to handle these with a clay bar after I pull the car in. But dude, it looks really good. Like, I can't say I'm not surprised at how actually clean this car is, considering I only had the blurriest photos ever when I bought it. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. I just got the E36 put away, washed. I think the next step is going to be a clay bar and some internal fixes, like the door cards are both broken. But I tell you what, dude, it cleaned up pretty well. I'm pretty dang happy with it. For buying a car sight unseen, I think this is kind of best case scenario. Like, there's seriously, like, no dents. Like, the paint's pretty shiny, and this is without a buff, this is without a polish, anything. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop it here. Gotta go back to work and do some stuff, but this weekend I'm really gonna get into this thing, so I'm super stoked, and I will see you next time. Consider subscribing if you like this. All right, bye.